Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Demesio. This is Luna Bella Photos. Check out this behind the scenes footage of an engagement session I did a few months ago. This engagement session is going to focus more on the GoPro footage so you can actually hear what I'm saying, the prompts that I'm giving people, plus on the screen there's going to be a ton of info. So check it out, ask me any questions in the comments. I'm more than happy to answer them. Are you telling her?
Yeah.
Smile, perfect. Alright guys, we're gonna start our day here. I have one Z6 with 70-200, another Z6 with a 35 Sigma, a trigger, another trigger, and then the 14-24 in case I want to get some really wide shots. This is not the perfect bag to take, but I'm in a hurry now, so I just stuffed everything in here. Alright, let's go. Alright, here I am. I got to this spot here. This is kind of cool. I'm in LA, and this place kind of reminds me of Big Bear in a little bit. I hope there's more to go to. I've never been here before. This is the client's idea. So I have my 80-200 here with a little mag. See? Perfect. Alright, good. Now big smile. Good. Look at each other. There we go. Get close like you're gonna kiss, but don't kiss. There we go. Alright, good. Joe, can you look my way? And then Melissa, you're gonna like get close to him, like you're gonna kiss him, you know, on the cheek, you know? Maybe because you're whispering something in his ear. You're telling him how cute he is. Tell him how lucky you are. Good. Good. Okay, so we're gonna do the opposite this time, right? You're gonna tell her how beautiful she is. Keep holding each other that way. You're gonna tell her how beautiful she is. You're gonna look at me, Melissa. Yes. Okay, so you're gonna tell her how beautiful she is, okay? Go for it. Hold each. Good. And this time, Joe, if you wanna take your hand out of your pocket and hold her. There we go. There we go. Tell her. There we go. Perfect. You do love his kisses, right? Okay, so this time, hold each other's hands like this. And then you're gonna, when you stand like this, make sure you give me like the, there we go, the sass. And for you, dude, make sure you put your hands, you know, your shoulders squared. There you go, standing up straight. Perfect, just like that, okay? Okay, good. Good. Look at each other. Good. Let me see. Look at each other. There we go. I'm not here. You're not taking pictures. You're just in love. Show me the love. Now both of you look this way again. Good. Look at each other. Nice. Melissa, look my way. There we go. And whisper into her ear again right there. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah. Look at me. Look out that way, yeah? Just like that, yeah. Look over here. Oh, that looks cute. Perfect, man. Look over at that tree again. There. Look at me again. Maybe this time cross your arms. Like that, yeah. Yeah. Tough guy pose. But here is perfect for a nice walking shot. So you guys are gonna go over there for me, and then I'll say what to do. That's not your sippy cup, right?
No.
Right there. Get as close to. You can turn back towards me now. Get as close to this as you can. And here, you're just gonna walk towards me. All right, go for it. 1, 2, 3. Looking at me. Good, good. Just walk. You can walk a little faster. It's all right. Good. Look at each other now. So when you're ready, you're just gonna walk towards me, but walk normally, I guess now, and at the regular speed, okay? 1, 2, 3, go for it. Look at each other, smile. Good. Good. Let me check. Oh yeah. Good. Do that thing where you guys touch foreheads, you know, get like hug her, dude. Put your arms around her. Melissa, do you mind moving your hair just a tiny bit? Yeah. Keep that. Actually, look at me this time now. Like that, yeah. Stay like that for me. Okay, that's perfect. Look at me, guys, and then when the people stop moving or they move out of the frame, we'll take the shots, okay? Okay, that's great right there. Look at me, good. Look at each other. Oh, that's nice. Hold her, dude, with your other hand. There you go. Good. Go cheek to cheek. Look over here. One. So the next few shots, I'm gonna just give you an opportunity to smile, laugh, hug, pretend I'm not here, okay? Just go for it. You do your thing. There you go. Maybe let's see if this will work here. Maybe you can try twirling her. You know what I mean? Like give her a little twirl. Once, yeah, that's perfect. 1, 2, 3, go for it. One more time. 1, 2, 3, go for it. Go for it. There we go. Do you guys dance at all?
No, not very well.
Who's the better dancer, huh? Yeah? Alright, let's see if this works. I've never been here before, but I saw this cool opportunity. So if I'm over here and they're over there where those people are, which you can't see in the GoPro because it's really far. That's good. Just hug and kiss and all that stuff, okay? I'm not here. Get the reflection. There we go. Look this way, guys. Good. Look at each other. Hugs, kisses. You want to twirl her again? That'd be nice right now. Yes.